Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kieno with STEMwithKieno.com, and today I'd like to address a comment from one of my subscribers. Thanks for posting a comment. Drive hard, earn hard. Um, Basically, what the question was about was electron flow. I think initially, when mankind or science kind of discovered electricity, there were two schools of thought, or there was an initial school of thought, and then finally they actually came up with two schools of thought. So we're going to talk about electron flow, and we're going to talk about conventional flow of when we talk about basic electrical components. Now, I'm going to set this to conventional flow because this is basically what we teach. We teach that if you have your power source, that the electricity will leave the positive terminal, flow through the said switch if the circuit is closed, and through the, let me take this away, and flow through here, through the bulb, lighting the bulb, and then come in here. But by the time you get here, you're at 0 volts. So you leave at 4 volts, and then you'll get voltage drops as you flow through the components. And so you can clearly see, you have a visual aid of how the current is flowing. But if we talk about electron flow, the school of thought from electron flow, and here we can see the actual electrons. When we close the switch, we can see that they're actually leaving the negative terminal and coming back around to the positive terminal. So when we talk about electron flow, it's negative. It's electrons leaving the negative terminal, flowing around to the positive terminal. And if we're talking about conventional flow, electrical current is leaving the positive terminal and coming back to the negative terminal. So drive hard, earn hard. I'd like to thank you for your comment and jumping out there. And I appreciate anybody. Anybody can drop a comment and just let me know if you have any questions about the ASVAB, the SIFT, AFOQT, ASTBE, or any math or science or STEM related question. Okay, so I just wanted to address that quickly and just make a quick video. And I thank you guys for watching. This is the conventional flow, and this is the electron flow. Conventional flow, electron flow. And I thank you guys for watching. Have a great evening and be safe.